He's so cute. Good morning. Hi, honey. Happy. What's that? Happy Valentine. What's in today? What's today?
July 4th.
Happy July 4th. Big day sa US. Ito yung ginawa ko gabi. Banana chips.
Mom, Daddy making burger or hot dog.
Wow.
Then Daddy bought pancakes
Wow.
for me.
Yeah?
Oh, I have
Wow.
too.
Thank you, honey. Ginakok na?
So we did.
Corn.
I'm gonna soak them, clean them, and then I'll cook them. I want
Hug Daddy, hug Daddy.
Why?
Yes.
Because.
We body.
She's. Love you. Your family. My husband cooking. Ito yung dali namin sa party mamaya. What's that? And this one? This
Right. German sauce.
it's white.
The German food, mustard.
So good now, honey. You need my help? You don't need my help? Ito naman yung corn. And this one here, it's same there?
Those are Italian sauce.
Ah,
That's jalapeno chili.
I see. What's this?
Packers for the pizza.
Sana, Ako, maglaro na ako ng Candy Crush. Lian, where are you, Lian? Where's Lian? Hey, what are you doing there? You don't love mommy?
I did.
You want me to die?
No,
Oh, okay.
I did. I did, Mommy. I did.
Siya na yung magluto, si husband.
I did.
Si Habibi.
I did. I did here. I did.
Hmm?
I did. I did in bed.
Take shower na kay. We'll go to the party. Take shower na. Come
I
here.
did.
Come here. Honey, all yan. Yummy, yummy. Yummy.
Mom, don't touch
But the same taste, honey, with the other one. It's different.
that thing. Don't touch that thing, Mom. Don't touch here. Don't touch my soft plate.
Hmm?
Don't touch my plate.
Ako, laro ng Candy Crush. Si Habibi yung nagluto. Ano, you're cooking and me just playing Candy Crush.
This is a little bigger tray.
Yeah? This looks bread. This looks like bread, honey.
No, it's brats.
Yeah, bread. Bread.
Don't show me today, but I'm pooping.
Get your toys there now.
Don't watch me and pooping.
Honey. I'll make gold for you. Okay? Diba?
Don't watch me and pooping, Mommy.
Then, go. Barbecue. So, the effort talaga to si Habibi. Very good, honey. You're amazing, honey. Yeah. Ito na yung natapos niya. brats, burger, daming nanda ni Habibi ay. Dahil sabi niya, isa din siyang military. So, parang big, ano nila ba? Big celebration yung Independence Day sa US. Sa Arturo Airport. So, getting ready para sa party mamaya with friends, some friends na foreigners din, then mga girlfriends nila.
Connie taught Spanish and whoever else came over the boats to colonize it.
Celebrate.
Yeah.
Diba? Mag-celebrate ng
Big party tomorrow.
yung mga baon namin.
250 years.
250.
Yeah.
So, yan na. Nandito na kami. Hi, Bella! Ito talaga yung the best organizer ever. Yes, sigayo. Daming pagkain. Oh, diba? Dami. Gid. Nak, don't touch there, nak. Masumbagan dyan ka, Ate Isabel ron, nak. Pantay ka, Ate Isabel. Oh, bisag ba? Operated pa ni siya. Oh, abtik ipong kaayo. Mayroon pa doon. Diba? Kasi Mike lagi, ito oh.
Ang isa pa lang to to grocery. Sarap mga 4,000 na kami. Ya wala pa. Ato kami vloggers sa metro na kami.
Gani, effort kayo sila yung duwa. Amot nila. What's that? That's
Oh my God! Be the king! British king!
British King. It's outfit is him.
See, we don't need the British flag. We have the real.
Oh, no. Alay ka na lang. Ay ka na makasabit. Akong WhatsApp. He's so cute. Can take picture there.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah.
Once I toss it, you guys gotta eat it
Ah, yeah.
quick,
Like,
because then it'll get soggy. I don't want that to
Yeah,
happen.
exactly. There, Yes, I'll take a picture. Look at that.
Get in a picture. What are you in a picture?
How about you?
All the colors, they're really good.
He's missing. He is missing.
I'll give it
He should be in this photo.
Come here. Oh, go there. Oh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Other things.
It's too much food.
Yeah.
Did your sister make this bread?
Not.
Doesn't look
Of
like
course
her.
not.
I was going to send it back. How, is she still baking? Is she still eating?
Yeah.
Still
She's
working
still
at Pig
there.
and
I
Pong?
think she will come.
I know it's short. Pig and Pong.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know if she's still there.
That's good.
It cut through my nail. One of the times that I had to go out there and watch her in the living room. I was like, I did a little face.
It's good here, and then I think kind of
Yeah.
duller here.
Yeah, it's okay.
Do you?
Cute kayo.
Most of the time, like buy fireworks or
Lahan kay foods. Lahan kay foods. Kakan matug pa ni Dan special day, big day ba yun nila American. Nagsaon ra gud daw. Once a year ra gud daw na siya. Magkala lang big ko nila to holiday kay like Christmas, Independence Day o sa tag-isa oy. Basta tulo. Oh, dili kay sa New Year. Sa Christmas, Independence Day o kay katulong oy nga kadang kon big day kay sa US. Basta tulo ka kuan nila nga big day kayo. Batusa na ni nga kuan.
Maduha.
Matunog. Paglana ko totoong grits.
4th of July. With all
That's Yuki and Yuki. Dan. Wow. Sa Canada, Yuki? Yuki, yeah. Ang Canada kay kuno to na ng dahon kanang leaf apel din na, apel na sila ha. Apel kuno na, included na na.
Okay.
Sa Canada, sa Yuki.
Canada, kaya siya before sa UK.
Yeah, give sa kami salian. Alay there, go there. Home. Kamu do. Ang bisa na. Home. Si home. Go Telly. Oh my God. Go Sabel.
Oh, my drink.
Yeah. Is this yours?
Oh, this is a touch screen.
Yes.
No. Go Sabel. Go Sabel.
like I said, part of the brick. And you might have the whole thing set up. We'll get
Oh my God. Wow. Gumakila. Because of this, marag ano nga siya.
So, sa kisay makatumbaon sa may punishment.
What's the punishment?
Oh, now you're asking about
Marag lipstick no. Sama na to. Oh.
Ang lipstick na ko kay Gitman, Africa dark.
You lost, you put some lipstick in your face. Yeah. Na nakoy kandre, nakoy red. Nakoy pula.
I go.
Gamay na ka na orang. Kamutan pa rin, kamutan iana. Gamay kela. Wow! Wala ako. Oh my gosh.
I want to need a table so bad.
OMG! Ano na?
I drink it for a couple of years, man.
Oh, puna. Oh, really? Oh, if you touch her, don't touch move, ha? Don't touch move. No helping. Don't touch move. Don't move. Don't move the table, please. Oh, don't touch move, ha? No touch move. No touch move.
Like, I don't want to commit to this.
Oh my God! Yeah! Ala, you need to get that. Ay. Sabi, you need to get that. Oh no! Touch mo na. Hello, hello, hello. Go, Sabel. Punishment. I have my dark lipsticks here. Matra ba ni? Oo, naon na siya ka nang kamot ra ba gamay?
Take your time. There's no rush.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh.
Keep tapping from the other side.
Yeah, like that.
I wrote this, mother.
Ala, ala. Maragahi siya, Bel. Pag ginhawag ako, oy. Oy, just one hand. No, just one hand. Go. I have lipstick here. It's dark.
Good, I'm glad you like them.
Isa ra kakamot.
It's okay, puli-puli.
Dili lagi pwede ipuli-puli, just one hand. No change, just one hand. Oh, my gosh. Ala, Dil, Naya. Dito ra ko, dito ra hinaya. Dito ra ko uta. Slowly, like that. Concentrate. No, yeah, like that, but just one hand man niya. Just one hand, Jod. Go, go. Hinay-hinay, Bill.
If you're gonna pull that off, that's amazing. You got this. Concentrate.
Oh my God. Oh! Nabel, lipstick. Kamera pa lahat maglagay ng lipstick sa mukha. Dapat kita lahat ba maglagay sa mukha niya ng lipstick. Huwag gagmay-gagmayan na to. Sige. Go! Next! It's your turn! Go! Cool ba? Tataw-tawa nila. Kita may mabutangan ni Ron.
See, it's already shaking. No one's even touching it.
Yeah. Pamug. Yeah, put lipstick. Oh.
That was only a matter of time.
Yeah. Wow, easy. You're next. Kalbaong naman ko, Biyoy. Ako di mabutangan na ni Mauna. Murag ako yung mauna isa akong lipstick. Murag ako yung mauna isa akong lipstick. Oh my gosh, I'm the next. Don't do it, Erica. Save me, Erica. Please save me. It's already moving even no one touch it.
It is moving.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
moving a lot.
Yeah. And most of the weight is on that side.
Murag kado ka tong side. Paana ka diri. Balisod nang ano. Oh my gosh. Murag punch fish. Because of this, kani nga kuan.
Take it out.
May nakapa ano niya.
You'll join next game.
Oh my gosh. If you touch that and touch that mob.
I've been eyeing that too.
Oh! Wala pa. No, you have chance. You have chance sa tele. Just one hand. Wow. Wow! Ay! Oh my gosh. Go sa bell. Ikaw, Jidoron's bell. Oh my God. Ayaw, Ay, tele! Oh my God! Go sa bell. Lipstick sa bell.
Now leaning.
Oh my gosh. Ano? Nagkulo. Shaking also. Natang lini. No, I'm not alone. What?
You got it.
Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. No. Ah! Put here, Danny. Put. It's shaking. Oh! Wow! Dorka.
He survived.
Shaking, oy. Gurog ko gano. Murag ang lipstick mo. Hadlock dun sa lipstick, oy.
I was gonna never lipstick.
Yeah, we have here. Naligo na si akong mag-ama.
Nag-water gun.
Aren't you an architect? Should you know where to pull from?
Sali ka, Melissa, after. Kati Malin, apel ka. Apel ka, naghuman ani. Wow! Easy. Nagdala ka nito? Nagkuha ka?
lang.
Oo, marami.
Galing ko na lang kayo.
No, ito. Wala lang.
Allergic ako. Baka ma-allergic ako. Mahal yung outfit ko nga. For tomorrow. For tomorrow. For tomorrow.
Kamu, Anibel? Kana? Oh.
Wala ko ng bagong balik.
Kani po dala mo balik. That's yours.